Hello, today we'll be making some slime. The same fluffy slime from the last video. I thought since it was so satisfying that you might want to make it too. Okay, so you'll need something to mix it in, something to stir it with, some Elmer's glue, some activator, this one's already mixed up, and shaving cream. Oh, and also a container to put your slime in. Let's get started. First, open the cap of the Elmer's glue all the way and start squeezing a good amount inside. I'd say a quarter of the cup that I have here. Now, you'll need some shaving cream. Take off the lid, shake it. It's gonna turn out a little liquidy for me, but that's okay. That should be enough. And now the activator. It says to shake it for 30 seconds, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All done. I don't know if you can hear the sizzling, but it's sizzling. Okay, let's put it in. A couple of little drops at a time, and it should be good. Let's start to mix it. Okay, it's almost done. And just put that over there. And the caps are together. Okay, I think it needs a little bit more activator, so I'm going to add a few more drops. Mix it. And it should be all ready. I'm just going to mix it a little bit extra, just in case. Probably a little bit more activator, actually. Okay, mix it really well. Pull it up. You put it down. Keep doing that until it starts to get stiff. Alright, see that? Ooh, wow. Okay, I think it's started to take out. I'm gonna put my spoon down and use my hands to take it out. Oh, it's a little sticky. I might need to add more activator later. Let's just get the cup out of the way and our slime. Start kneading it, which means pulling and bringing it back together. Keep doing that for a while, and eventually it'll start to stop sticking to your hands. You should be able to poke it when it's done and it had enough kneading. So if you think you're done kneading, then you can try poking it. If it doesn't stick to your fingers, then it's all good. If it does, then you might need to do a little more kneading. If you keep on kneading and kneading and it's still really sticky, then you can just add some activator. Okay, get all that extra stuff off of my hands. And there is your fluffy slime. You can add food coloring if you want. Just like add a drop or two and then just knead it. But I'm not going to do it for this one. It's just going to stay white. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!